Hello, welcome to Kingsmill Hospital. My name's Samantha Lambert and I'm the Department Lead of the King's Treatment Centre. If you have an outpatients appointment here at the hospital, it'll either be in Women and Children's Centre, which houses clinics 11 to 14, or here in the King's Treatment Centre, which holds clinics 1 to 10. We hold all specialities here in the centre, including orthopaedics, ophthalmics, surgical clinics, vascular and dermatology clinics. We've also got a separate outpatients X-ray and also an endoscopy unit. If you have any mobility problems getting to the clinics, you can take advantage of our friendly buggy driver who will happily transport you there.
Hello, my name is Mandy Topless. I'm Department Leader for the King's Treatment Centre. We stood outside Clinic 5 where you may attend for an outpatients appointment if you've got problems with your heart, breathing or diabetes. When you attend clinic for your appointment, we will ask you to book in electronically, but if you do have problems, we will have a volunteer on hand to help you do that. If you are unable to book in via the electronic screen or would prefer not to, we do have a receptionist to help you book in as well. When you've booked in either via the screen or via reception, you will be asked to take a seat until called.
Mrs. Joyce Marriott, please.
Whilst sat waiting for your appointment, you might find other patients being called before you, and this is due to the number of consultants working in the same clinic area. Before seeing the doctor, you may need to have your weight and blood pressure recorded by the nurse on clinic.
And it's healed up all right now?
Yeah.
And is it moving well?
Yeah.
Was it numb before the operation? All right, so the nerve might be trapped out there, so you might need some tests doing on that. As a doctor, I called Mrs. Marriott in, I listened to her problems, examined her and came up with a provisional diagnosis. I've organized some tests for her and I will then get her back to clinic to discuss the results of her tests so we can plan further management.
During your appointment, you might be asked to attend for some further investigations. This might include an X-ray, a blood test or a heart tracing. We will be able to arrange this for you on the day. After you have seen the doctor, you will be given some information to return to reception. If you require a further follow-up appointment, that could be made at the time or it could be sent to you through the post. After your appointment, you may wish to take advantage of some of the lovely facilities we have here at the hospital, such as the Daffodil Cafe.
Good afternoon, this is Sue, Patient Pathway Coordinator. How can I help? Hi, my name is Sue and I'm one of the patient coordinators. My role is to ensure that all of your care and treatment is planned appropriately and as smooth as efficient as possible. If you need to know anything about your care, for example your appointment dates or arrangements for investigations, then please speak to your patient coordinator by ringing the hospital switchboard, telling them who your consultant is and asking them to speak to their patient coordinator. We want to ensure that you have the best possible experience at Sherwood Forest Hospitals.
I broke my elbow.
Switching the pins out.
It's a beautiful building. It doesn't feel too hospitalified, if you like, because of the light and the space. I like it because it doesn't look like those old institutions, which are depressing enough, aren't they?
Plenty of parking spaces.
Easy to get to places and all things like that, and everybody's nice to you and friendly.
You don't feel like you're just a number.
No,
You do actually feel like a person, don't you? It's been fab.
And it doesn't smell like an hospital either.
We are really proud of our fantastic facilities here at Kingsmill Hospital. All our clinics was designed with the help of our patients to provide a bright, airy and calming environment.
We listen to feedback from our patients and I am pleased to say that we have excellent results in our National Patient Survey. We hope this short video has helped to prepare you for your appointment. We are always looking to improve our services in order to put our patients first.